Some devotees in our movement criticize, why is anyone writing? Prabhupada already gave everything we need. True, but Prabhupada also wanted his disciples to write. He actually said all his disciples should write something every day. He also wanted them to write. Because one thing is, there are various realizations of Krishna. The whole world of Vaishnavism is vast, and we've hardly brought out a drop of it. And although Srila Prabhupada's books are all that we need to go back to God, at every line and every word, they could be questioned. We don't read like that, because we read with faith. There's some basic faith. But at every step it could be questioned, and will be questioned. So there is need for a huge area of philosophical writing will be required for a few people. There won't be many. But that will be required. At the present time we're philosophically practically defenseless against various people that attack our positions, because we haven't done our work in defending that. There's a lot of work to do, philosophically, and then Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur wanted to make a book. It would be a massive encyclopedia, Paramarthik Bharata. Exactly what the subject is, I don't know, but if you Paramarthik Bharat, spiritual India. So then you have the whole culture, so many holy places. There are some Hindu encyclopedias. Maybe they serve the purpose. Not exactly in the same way that Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati wanted. He wanted to make a dictionary. The first thing, define the words that we're using. Reading this book on the Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, say the way they use certain words is different to the way we use it, and it may be different to the standard usage of the way it's used. But within their own circle, they use certain Sanskrit words in a certain way. So when we say Bhagavan, what do we mean exactly? When we say Ishvara, Mayavadi's central point of the Mayavad teachings is about Ishvara, but their understanding and our understanding is completely different. Moksha, what is the meaning? Our understanding and their understanding, there's so much difference. So I'm just giving some examples that there is a need of writing. You may say, well, we don't care about, if they don't want to believe what Prabhupada says, we don't care. Well, we do care. We should care. And if we don't, then it may appear that it may be possible, and this happens with every great acharya, that people come after them and point out, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. And then it's the duty of the disciples in disciplic succession to defend their acharya's position. So that will be there. The fact that, I said this some days ago here in Salem, right? What's the biggest philosophical opposition to ISKCON nowadays? Can't think of much. That's not good. That means we're not doing our work. We should be preaching our philosophy, and then there'll be opposition. Now we public relations ourselves into put so much water in the milk, there's only water left. So people who have allergy to drinking milk, they'll be happy with us. We're not getting our philosophy out. We're distributing books. We're not speaking it. We're not pushing it. There should be philosophical opposition. So I'm just giving some reasons why we should write. Why the fire should be in there. It's not for everyone. It's a specialized thing.